Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Metal Times Atelier, and today we're gonna make something a little bit different that what we're normally doing. I thought to attempt a line and wash painting drawing today. So here I am. I have made a little drawing of some pink flowers and bee. I'm not sure, probably it's a wasp. I'm not sure. A little insect. It's not very little. The insect. It's a good size insect. And I am using the Strathmore 500 series hot press watercolor paper, 5x7. I will attach the drawing if you would like to use it for reference, or you just make your own design. I'm gonna just show you what is the process for this kind of line and wash. Now we can do it the other way. If you can start with the wash first, and then you can, once it dries, you can go in with your fine liner and do your the lines. But we're gonna do it the other way. First, it's a little bit easier, a little bit more in control this way. So I'm using a reference photo. I cannot upload it because it's not mine. But yeah, once you're using a reference photo, then what I normally do a sketch, and then I get my rubber. I take off the very strong marks that probably I have done with my pencil, and then I start going in with the fine liner. I will start with a 0.6 one, not a very fine one. It's kind of, it was on the thick side. Probably I would do maybe I will start with a 0.3 and we'll see how we go. And we start doing the lines first. Make sure that your fine liner is waterproof. So this is water and fade proof pigment ink, the Unipen, and those ones are pretty good because after I can put my washes on top and they won't smudge. But if you don't have this kind of waterproof markers, then you will probably have to do your wash first and then wait to dry and then go with your fine liner. So yeah, it depends what supplies you've got. Then you decide how you're going to what order you're gonna have at your process. So as we talk now, just make a rough drawing of this these flowers. And once we're happy with it, So I'm gonna just show you what I do for this one, and then I will fast forward for the rest one. And yeah, once we're happy with the lines, then we'll just go in and we remove all our pencil marks. So we're cleaning it like that, and once we do all of this, then we'll start putting our wash. So I'm gonna fast forward this at this point because it can be boring. So now that's it. Our wash is all dried up, and I am gonna go back in with my fine liner to do just to make some lines a little bit thicker. Not all of them. It could be only one side. It could be only on the base. Just gonna give it a little bit extra body. And that's it. That was our line and wash. Very simple. And yeah, I would say effective. I enjoy that little painting. Not bad at all. So if you enjoyed that too, don't forget to thumbs up. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you get any notification every time that we are uploading a new video. And you can check if you like what the theme. You can come and watch it. If you're not interested, then you're waiting for the next video. We're going to be doing lots of different materials, techniques, themes. Here was a little bit of my drawing. I'll just take it off, clean it up, and we're ready. So thank you again for watching me. Hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now. Hi, I'm back again. As you most of you know that yeah, coming up with ideas once my painting has finished. I'm still thinking about it, and if I come up with a good idea, I'll let you know. And now it is one of those ones. I just thought to get some gel pen, a white one, and put some highlights. So try that, and I liked it, so I thought to let you know. So at the end, when it's all dried up, you can go in with a gel pen and put some highlights. Not a lot, just a little bit as the light plays amongst the little flowers and the twigs. So it gives it a little bit more body to our picture. And as I was saying, we need at least 3 tones: the middle tone, the dark, and the light. So yeah, I think it needed the light at this point. And this gel pen, it is perfect for my line and wash. It's a good one, actually. It's the Paul Rubens one. I got it long time ago from a sale, and still working fine. Obviously, the more the better that it's dried up, your picture, the better your gel pen will cover. Here it was a little bit more dry, and that's it. And now that's it. No more. I'm not touching it anymore. Bye for now.